Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Today we're going to talk about how to get rid of gnats in your lawn naturally. This video will take you through the most convenient and efficient ways to eliminate these annoyances. So stick around for that. Eliminate the sources. The most effective way of eliminating gnats is by eliminating the things that attract them. I will mention the most effective ways to eliminate the various sources. Number 1. Getting rid of organic waste. Gnats are often attracted to rotting organic materials, such as overripe fruits and vegetable peels. The best way to get rid of them is by storing fruits and vegetables properly to avoid decay and clearing out any organic waste immediately. Number 2. Eliminating moisture. Another source of gnats is moisture. Most gnats often breed in drains or where there is leakage, so the most effective way of preventing them is by wiping the outer sides of the pipes and fixing any sources of leakage. It would also help if you eliminated outdoor moist sites, such as clogged roof gutters and downspouts. Number 3. Clean up dead flowers and leaves. Some gnats are attracted to fungi and mold found in dead plants. Some effective ways to get rid of these gnats are by clearing out any accumulated grass clippings and avoiding overwatering any garden plants to allow the soil to dry out between waterings to prevent causing molds and fungus. Make a gnat trap. Another way to get rid of flying insects is by trapping them. The simplest and most cost-effective way to make a DIY trap is by using vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or white vinegar and a tablespoon of sugar to half a cup of warm water. Then add a few drops of dish soap. The sugar and vinegar will lure them into the mixture, and the dish soap will trap them, making them drown. Another way of trapping them is using red wine. Mix some red wine with dish soap and then pour the mixture into a container and set it out. The smell of the wine will attract them and they will stick to the dish soap and drown. So there you have it. Gnats can be irritating, but getting rid of them should be easy. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.